Hello there everybody, and today I am going to unbox and review the iFuture Truly Wireless Earphones. And if you've been following my main channel called BlueCJ, you already know that I did a video on these earphones before, but unfortunately that video is pretty low quality and I didn't really talk about, some of the other details there, so I'll do it in this kind of re-review video. After you've finished watching this, please tell me in the comments if these AirPods alternatives are better than the iPepo AP3s, which I unboxed last time, because these ones basically have the same price. And yeah, here's a card if you want to watch it. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you won't miss another BlueCJ tech video. Let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. As you can see, it's very simple. We have the iFuture logo at the top, as well as the earphones of course, and the charging case. And at the bottom it says that these of course are wireless headphones that are compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows phones. It also says that these are the truly wireless earphones, which are very popular right now. And at the back, as you can see, we have some specs or some features. As you can see, of course, these are wireless, also stereo audio. You can also pick up and answer your phone calls with just a click on the earphones. And of course you have the pocket charging case, which will charge your earphones for about 4 times before it runs out, which will give you about 3 to 5 hours, maybe even 4 hours of listening time on your earphones, which is pretty good. We also have some other specs here. As you can see, this is Bluetooth 5.0, which means that if your phone also has Bluetooth 5.0, it will actually benefit from that type of connection, because you're going to have a more stable and a wider range for Bluetooth, also lower latency, so overall it's pretty good. We also have 2 microphones here. As you can see, those are the 2 microphones, which will actually give you a better call quality. But if you just want to use one earphone, then you can do that, because they turn on and off separately. And the battery capacity for each earbud is 50 milliamp hours, and that might not be the highest capacity, but I'm telling you that these earphones last for about 3 to 4 hours. And the charging case has a 450 milliamp hour battery, which again doesn't seem like much, but I'm pretty sure that it'll charge your earphones from 0 to 100% for about 4 times before it runs out. And lastly, when I bought this about 7 months ago, the price was 999 pesos, or about $20 if you convert it. Alright, so now I'm going to open the box, and as you can see, it's really simple packaging. So here are the earphones and the charging case. See, we don't have an instruction manual. As I said, it's very simple. Alright, so this is what it looks like. We're going to take off the earphones. I'm going to show you what they look like. As you can see, this is what they look like up close to the camera. And of course, the design is like very Apple AirPods like. And we have the charging case. So we're going to take it off, and again, these look like Apple AirPods, but except we have the iFuture logo, and at the back we have the charging button if you want to turn it on. Alright, so I'm going to put these earphones, and that is what they look like when they're inside the case. And that's pretty much everything in the box. So now I'm just going to show you guys how to pair these earphones with your Android device. So of course, what you want to do first is turn on Bluetooth on your Android device, and then go to the more settings of your Bluetooth, and now it should scan for iFuture. So once that shows up, I'll just tap it, and if it asks you if you want to pair with it, then of course you want to tap pair. And once it's connected, you can also rename your device. So once you click on these settings, you can tap rename, and so I'm just gonna put right here CJ's iFuture earphones. Alright, that's good, so click on OK, and that's how easy it is. Once you connect these again after you pair it, if you turn on Bluetooth, they'll connect automatically, which is pretty convenient. By the way, the Redmi 5 also has a very cool feature which allows you to show the battery of your earphones, as you can see, and once you're out of battery, the indicator will become red. So I've been using these iFuture Truly Wireless earphones for almost 7 months now, and so far I still don't have any problems with these earphones. The audio quality is still pretty good, the battery is still great too, and the charging case is also the same. I'm also going to give you some charging tips, because sometimes one earphone gets out of battery faster than the other, And that's not the charging case's fault, it's really just my fault. So when you're charging these earphones, be sure that both of them are lit up, meaning that they are both charging. Now let's talk about the sound of these earphones. They're good and they might not have the same amount of bass because they don't really go inside your ear, but it has a good amount of detail in the sound, and if you also use an equalizer while listening to music, you can improve the bass if you want. So if you like to get Apple AirPods but don't have enough money, then these iFuture Truly Wireless earphones are very good alternatives at only a fraction of the AirPods price. For $20, the convenience of the charging case and the sound is what makes these earphones really worth it. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, click the bell so that you won't miss another BlueCJ Tech video. Stay able, my friends. Goodbye.